Okay, pick it up. Decide how high you want it. It actually looks pretty good. Oh, it's almost stuck by itself. A little water down here at the bottom, and then just push that on. When I push a little here, it's okay. It kind of takes his body, and it's not quite so round anymore, which is fine. You can kind of flatten this and play around with it a little bit. Okay, and then the wings on either side are just the brown. Ball, teardrop. It's got lines in it, so that means I didn't knead it up enough. Ball, teardrop. And this, just kind of flatten it and bend it a little. Okay, see how it's a teardrop that's flattened and bent? Scissors in at an angle, 2, 3 cuts. Little water on the side. Now this is sliding. I have too much water on there. If it slides down, there's too much water. Too much water or too much weight. But in my case, I can tell it's the water. Okay, bend it, flatten it a little. It's sticking to my hand. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of water. And I'm going to go ahead and pick it up at this point. Pop it. Where do I want it? I'm going to put it by the door, but it's kind of close. I put him way back here, like hiding. Okay, and then eyes, white. And that was a little dried coming out, so it didn't come out nice. And then the black. Okay, then with this brown, I need to do the centers of the sunflowers.